Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low sound issues on Google Chrome when you're using it on a Windows PC. So if videos on YouTube or other sites sound really quiet, even when your volume is all the way up, don't worry. I've got a few easy steps to help you fix it. Let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Check Volume Mixer for Chrome first. We're going to check your Windows volume mixer. Chrome might be turned down separately from the rest of your system. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar. Click on Open Volume Mixer. Now, take a look here. You should see a separate volume slider for Google Chrome. If it's lower than your system volume, or if it's muted, go ahead and turn it all the way up. Tip: if you don't see Chrome here, try playing a video in Chrome and then reopen the volume mixer. Step 2. Make sure the tab or site isn't muted. Sometimes a specific tab or even the entire site might be muted by mistake. Right-click on the Chrome tab that's playing sound. If you see Unmute Site, click that. Also, make sure the website's built-in volume, like YouTube's, player is turned up. It's a separate volume from your system, and it's easy to miss. Step 3. Check Chrome extensions. Certain extensions, like volume controllers or ad blockers, can interfere with sound. Let's check. Click the 3 dots at the top right of Chrome. Go to Extensions under More Tools. Disable any audio-related extensions like volume boosters or equalizers, one at a time. Once disabled, refresh the site you're on and see if that fixed the low sound. Step 4. Turn off audio enhancements. Optional. Audio enhancements in Windows can sometimes mess with volume levels. Right-click the speaker icon again and select Sounds. In the Playback tab, double-click your current output device, like speakers or headphones. Go to the Enhancements tab. Check Disable All Enhancements and click Apply and OK. Now, test the sound again in Chrome. Step 5. Use Chrome's audio debugging page. Advanced. There's a hidden Chrome page that lets you reset audio settings. In the address bar, type Chrome Shout Flags Try Supported Channel Layouts. Set it to disabled if it's not already. Relaunch Chrome. This can help resolve sound layout mismatches that cause low audio on certain setups. Step 6. Update or reinstall Chrome. If nothing else works, make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the 3-dot menu. Go to Help. Duckrow. About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them automatically. If it's still not working, you can uninstall and reinstall Chrome to reset everything. Wrap up, and that's it. One of those steps should help you fix low volume issues on Google Chrome for your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tip. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.